Hello and welcome to Anton from 4x4 Out Far. So I have a new one today. Well, I've actually been thinking about it for quite a while, and we've decided as a family to not eat as much meat. So we were eating meat 5 out of 7 nights a week. Now we're going to try and do it in reverse. We want to do more plant-based foods 5 out of 7 nights a week. The question and stuff that we need to talk about and understand and get advice from you, the listeners and viewers, if you follow my YouTube channel, go and have a check it out. It's very cool. Well, I think so. Is being not necessarily a vegan, because apparently my wife tells me that there's big differences between vegan and plant-based. I actually have no clue. She explained it to me. It was above my pay grade at the time. So let's talk about this. How do overlanders eat more plant-based foods than meat? So as usual, we all have camping fridges. Some have big ones, some have small, and some only have cooler boxes. But how do we do this? Generally, we will split the fridge in half, or 2/3 fridge, a third meat, freezer. Sorry. So how do we do this? So we would generally put meat in and freeze, take it out to thaw out for that night. Then eat either something out of a can, meaning canned beans, roast veggies on the fire, or do something like potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn on a cob, in tin foil on the fire. There's a number of ways. In fact, one of the best things we do is the big mushrooms, bit of garlic, bit of oil, a little bit of herb and cheese on top. Complete destroyer on top of the fire. You melt it off, it cooks. It is a winner. But how do we do it all the time? What do we need to do? So I need you to come back to me and think about this. And either, if you're doing it already, tell me, please, because we're very keen. I got a big humanitarian trip coming up in March. I need to start planning and prepping. And part of all of it is we want to start not eating as much meat, which is pretty easy in Africa. We can get it pretty much anywhere between goat, beef, sheep, I wouldn't say whichever or anything out there, because obviously that's not true. But what do we do? How do we freeze veggies? Do we take frozen veggies in a packet and thaw it out just before cooking and fry it up? Or, what do you do? Can you guys come back to me? Because I'm going to do quite a bit of research around this, but I'm leaving this with the listeners. And you guys need to come back to me. And if you are doing it already, share it with your friends. Come back with either recipes or something that is related to overlanding. Being home or a 1 or 2 night camping is hiking camping is one thing. But being able to do this consistently for 2 weeks out in the bush, how do you do it? What are your thoughts? Let's talk about it. Come back to me. Tell me what you think, guys. I look forward to hearing all of the examples. Cheers.